Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to quickly walk you through the registration for your smart book of NSSP 111, which can also be for any other smart book that on McGraw-Hill Education's Connect platform. Thank you very much, Kuketsu, that I can use your details in order to do this demonstration, this short screencast. Okay, but just to go through the ropes, you should have received with your textbook a pamphlet. In this case, it's integrated science. It can be made as biology or any other textbook from McGraw-Hill, which has this connect smart book function. Okay, but with the textbook, if it was prescribed, you would have received such a pamphlet. It's an A5 size pamphlet with a code, and it says there right at the top, "Do not throw away." So please do not throw this away, and because we are going to use this 20 digit or 20 character password or code to register for your specific for access to the smart book. If you have not received this code or this pamphlet with your textbook, for example, for the distance students, you this year you might have received it, will receive it on an email or an SMS from distance education. But normally you would have received this pamphlet. Okay, so on the PowerPoint I've uploaded on eFunding at the Connect tab. You can also access this PowerPoint, and then you can just go to the fifth slide, and there will be this link that you can follow to register for the specific course. It will differ for each course, and so you can just follow this from the PowerPoint, or you can copy and paste it. So I will quickly copy and paste this link to Google Chrome. I've just tried it with with Firefox as a browser, and it didn't work properly. So it just went to a white screen, and it didn't work. So if your browser didn't initially work or go to the registration page, you can try another browser. In this case, I've opened Chrome now, and I'm going to paste that link that I've provided in the browser. I'm just going to paste and go, and it's going directly to this page where you have to register. There you will see that's the course name for NSSP 111. It can be Live 222 or Live 112 or whatever the course you are registering for the smart book. So there you will see who's the instructor. In this case, it's me, and the textbook that you are using. Okay, then you just put in your email address there. In this case, I will put Kuketsu's email address in. And thank you again, Kuketsu, for making your details available. Okay, so as soon as you entered your email address there, it will show again this page where you have to fill out all the details. You'll see if you fill out your email address, it will be shown here, but I didn't want to provide the email address I'm using now, as it's another student's email address. So I'm going to fill out these details, and so if your email address that you've provided there will be shown here. Now you have to confirm it, provide a password, confirm your password, your first name, last name. You have to select a security question, and you'll have to also provide your mobile number. You have to agree to the terms of the McGraw-Hill company, and then you click on continue. Okay, I'll quickly fill out this and click on continue, and then I'll continue with the explanation as soon as I've completed these details. Okay, and then this is the next page that it takes you to. Just a tip or a hint, your password should only contain a caps letter, a lowercase letter, and a number. No special characters, so you can't use a hashtag or an asterisk. Okay, so this is then the next page that you have to that it takes you to, and there you will see you have 4 different options. Temporary access is no longer available for this unit as the course is already running for a while. But when the course is registered within 2 weeks, you can already access it the smart book temporarily. But in this case, it's no longer available, and you have to use that access code, that 20-digit access code that comes with a pamphlet or that's provided to you via an email or SMS. You can access this, or you can if you don't have a code and you just purchased the book, you can go to your nearest bookstore and ask for assistance in terms of purchasing such a code as an add-on to the book. Unfortunately, if you don't have the code with the book, it will additionally cost you $35, which will be more or less what's it about between 400 and 500 rand for the smart book. Okay, so it's a lot of money, but it's going to help you a lot. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to provide the 20-digit code that I've put in there, um, put in there, and then you click on redeem. Okay, and then there is your digital access to Connect Artillery Integrated Science, 7th edition, 2019. Okay, that's the book that you're gaining access to now. Okay, so your access will expire a year later. So this key has access for a whole of 12 months to this book. Okay, then I confirm. And now it takes you to the success page, and that is what you want to see. And from here on, you can now access the smart book if you go to Connect, and then it will take you to NSSP 111's site, which is the platform that I'm connecting to. So there's no assignments for the next 7 days. That is what you will see if you have no assignments. And I will now upload assignments for you to do, and that will typically be to read the book. Okay, so now you can play around here, go to your calendar to see what there is to do, what you have to do. If you go to classes and you click on NSSP 111, then you can go to Unit 1, Unit 2, or Unit 3. In Unit 1, there's 2 items, and you have to read that part. So then you'll see, okay, you have to do that. This is due 10th of March, which is already a month ago. I understand that not everybody had access to this code, and so I will change this to a later date in order for everybody to get at least to have the opportunity to read or do the assignments on the of the smart book. So now, how do you do this assignment? I've uploaded this as a reading assignment. Then you just click on this little arrow on the right-hand side, and then it says that it should take you about 15 minutes. You have to read through a specific parts of that chapter that I've assigned for you on the smart book, and then you can click on begin, and then you can start the assignment. Okay, I'm not going to do it for this student, and so I'm not going to go in there now, but now you at least know where to go. So just to recap, go to classes. You will see that your class is there, NSSP 111. It will take you to the class list where you have all the assignments for each unit. If you click on unit, there will be the specific chapters that's allocated to that unit, and again only the sections that's important for you to know, and then again you go to to that arrow, which will tell you what's the details for the assignment, and now you have to start reading and answering questions. Okay, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any inquiries about this smart book, please do not hesitate to contact me at donovan.kruger at nw.ac.za.